Yes, today we are going to show that every positive even integer is of the form of 2q and every positive odd integer is of the form of 2q plus 1, where q is some integer. How we will solve this question? So this is a simple method to solve this type of the question. This question from NCERT class 10th. So I am going to start this question solution of this question. According to statement, every positive even integer. So first I will write the sum integer which will be positive and also even. So positive even integer equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, like this. We want the form 2q. So first we will divide these numbers by 2. 2, 2. 2 ones are 2. You will get the remainder 0. Next is 2 will divide by 4 will divide by 2. 2s are 4. Okay. Next 2, 6. It means 6 will divide by 2. 3 times 0. Next we need to divide 8 by 2. 4. Then 0. Clear? I need to erase some parts. So I am going to erase question. After that, we know Euclid's division lemma. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. RE, it means remainder. So we will write these numbers in this form. How we can write? 2 is dividend, 2 is divisor, and the quotient is 1 and remainder is 0. Next is 2, 4, 2 into 2 plus 0. 4 is dividend, 2 is divisor, 2 is quotient and 0 is remainder. Next one, next is A equal to 2 into 4 plus 0. Do you observe something? So all the numbers having the same way. 2 into 1 plus 0, 2 into 2 plus 0, 2 into 3 plus 0, 2 into 4 plus 0. So all the remainders are 0. So we can write positive even integer equal to, we can write these forms in 2q plus 0. 2q plus 0. If you want to erase the 0, this is also you can. So this is your positive even integer. Now we will find out positive odd integers. The same way we will follow here. This is your one part is done. The second is here positive odd integers. So positive odd integers we need to write 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. First we will divide 1. 1 is not divisible by 2. So you will get the remainder 1. Next is 5. 2. 2 is 4. The 1 will be remainder. Next will be, this will be 3. 1, 2. Next will be 5. 2, 4 and remainder will be 1. Next is here 7. 2, 3 is 6. Remainder is 1. Again, what you will write? By Euclid's division lemma. I am going to write here because of the space issue. By Euclid's division lemma, EDL. Okay, so dividend, divisor into quotient plus remainder. You can also write in this form. This is also correct. So first, so dividend is here 1 and divisor is 2, quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. The second is 3, 2 into 1 plus 1. Next is 5, 2 into 2 plus 1 and the 7, 2 into 3 plus 1. So again you will observe one pattern is are you getting from here 1 1 1 1. So all the numbers, all the remainders are 1. So we can write this, therefore positive odd integer equal to 2q plus 1, where q is some integer. This is the solution of the question. Like this you can solve your question. This is a very easy method, and like this you can solve your questions which are given in your exercise also.